When it comes to feeders for the FENN swaging equipment, there's two categories. We have our base slash tabletop style and then the door mounted style feeders. The base tabletop style is a weldment steel base, and generally they come in two forms, manual or hydraulic operated. The manual style base tabletop swager feeder is a rack and pinion concept. So it's a physical hand crank where you load your part and use the hand crank and a rack and pinion to guide it into the swager. The other style of the tabletop feeders is hydraulically operated, and it uses a hydraulic cylinder to push the forward or move the table forward and retract to give you that swaging action. The door mounted feeders are best for coiled product, so any type of product that is wound in a coil. And these mount physically to the swager door, and they use two sets of rolls that come together and create a pinch on the product, and then drive it into the swager via a foot pedal where you can keep going through the backside of the swager, or then use the foot pedal to retract those rolls and pull the product out the front side of the swager. Two kind of examples for each kind of feeder. The tabletop style feeder is good for straight length product and anything that is kind of pointing or through swaging. And the door style feeders are good for coil product where you're pointing initial point, whether it's for drawing equipment. You're getting an initial 12-inch point and then retracting through the pinch rolls.